In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unequip items in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage your items and equip or unequip them accordingly. All that you have to do is press B on your keyboard and you will be able to see all of your items that you currently have alongside your skills at the right side. Now, once you find a specific item that you would like to equip or unequip, all that you have to do is drag and drop it to the corresponding slot. Now, if you want to equip or unequip stuff like weapons, offhands, and so on, you will need to equip another one on top. So there won't be the option to necessarily unequip it, but as long as you get the same kind of item and you equip it over the item that you are currently wearing, it is going to be unequipped. So all that you have to do is drag and drop your items this way. Regardless of which item you have, you will be able to drag and drop it into one of the corresponding slots here on your hotbar, or you will be able to put it back on your inventory for safekeeping. And like I said, if you want to replace a certain accessory, weapon, and so on, you just need to get another one on the corresponding slot and put it there. It is automatically going to be substituted. To my knowledge, you will not be able to find the option to just replace the item without using another one. So you won't be able to click unequip or something similar. You will have to get another one that you can override the item with, and then it is going to be automatically swapped over. And this is going to work for any equipment that you might have or any items that you can equip on your hotbar, and then you can press the specific button to use them. So that's all you have to do. Just drag and drop them here and you will be able to use them accordingly. This is going to work for any platform. All that you have to do is open your inventory and manage the items here. If this video helped you on how to unequip items in Arcane Lineage, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.